Applike is a time-proven technique, and you can create sturdy applications that will last the life of the garment using fabrics and specialty materials from Gunnold. Step fabric from Gunnold gives the appearance of a fully embroidered design with the time savings of an applique. Laser cutting of appliques is recommended when using this 100% polyester fabric because the laser seals the edges to create a long-lasting creation with the appearance of direct embroidery. Twilly is a sturdy twill fabric with a permanent non-woven backing. This polyester cotton blend is ideal for long-lasting appliques and patches. Canvay is a plain weave 100% polyester fabric that also makes great appliques and patches. Its smooth surface provides a perfect canvas for small lettering and fine detail. Felty is a 100% polyester material available in 17 colors. Its non-fray characteristics make it suitable for all types of applique with or without a backing. There are 3 ways to create appliques: the cut-as-you-go method, the pre-cut method, and the cut-at-the-end method. The cut-as-you-go method is used only for one-of-a-kind items or very small runs. The pre-cut method uses commercially cut appliques, making larger orders more practical. The cut-at-the-end method is used when no pre-cut capabilities exist and the operator is experienced in trimming around the edges of a finished applique. Gutty Stick is a 2-sided adhesive film product that's ideal for preparing any applique fabric. Just finger press it to the reverse side of your applique fabric. For the cut-as-you-go method, stitch the applique placement stitch onto the hooped item to be embroidered. Place a suitable size piece of prepared applique fabric over the placement line, fully covering the placement line. Restart the machine and stitch the tack-down running stitches. Stop the machine and remove the hoop, being careful not to disturb the fabric in the hoop. Using sharp scissors, carefully trim away the fabric outside the stitching line and place the hoop back in the machine. Complete the embroidery by applying a satin-stitched border covering the edge of the fabric. To do applique using the pre-cut method, apply Gutty Stick to the reverse side of the applique fabric. Cut the appliques by any method, including hand cutting, die cutting, or laser cutting. To hand cut, the most accurate method is to stitch the placement line directly onto the applique fabric and cut along the stitching line. The Gutty Stick on the reverse side makes handling the appliques easier, adding body and eliminating fraying during handling. To use a commercial cutting service, export the placement line from your embroidery software and provide the electronic file to your cutting service. At the machine, stitch the applique placement line on the hooped item. Remove the paper covering from the pre-cut applique and match the pre-cut applique to the placement line. Restart the machine to stitch the tacking stitch and final satin-stitched border. If you don't have Gutty Stick on hand, an alternate method is to spray the reverse side of an applique with KK100 or KK2000. KK products are safe, non-toxic, and self-dissipating. To use KK temporary spray adhesive for multiple appliques, line a box with a layer of paper to act as a base to collect any overspray. After spraying a batch of appliques, remove the paper and replace with a new sheet of paper. Felty is ideal for any applique method, even appliques that are cut after stitching is completed. Because it doesn't fray, it may be used with or without a backing product applied. Whatever method you choose for your appliques, high-quality fabrics, backings, and adhesives from Gunnold assure that your applique will last the life of the garment or accessory it's applied to.